Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Now I am going to show you how to make these nests and the cute little birdies in it. So let's begin the DIY tutorial by making these cute little chicks. Take a 4.5 cm broad cardboard. Wrap the wool around it, plenty of it. Now slip it off the cardboard. And tie a string at the center. Cut off the loops at both the ends with a pair of scissors. And give it the shape of a pom-pom. This is good. Now take another piece of cardboard 2.5 cm wide and following the similar procedure, make a smaller pom-pom. There we go. From a black chart paper, punch a few holes. We'll be needing a small piece of red wool too. Paste the two pom-poms together with the help of a glue gun. We'll be using white glue to paste the eyes. Now we are going to use the red wool to make the beak of the chick and stick it around. For the nest part, we are going to take a balloon and apply a good layer of white glue. Leave a part at the front for the opening of the nest. Now paste the samia or vermicelli all over the glue, a good amount of it, and leave it to dry for 4 to 5 hours. This piece I had already made beforehand. Guys, we need to remove the balloon now. I had kept it overnight so the balloon has deflated a bit. Dilute white glue with water and apply a thin layer so that the vermicelli holds together. We are going to take a small plastic container and make a hole in it. Apply white glue and wind thread around it, covering the whole of it. Through the hole pass a stick. And keep winding the thread around, covering the stick also. I am adding newspaper tube to add thickness to the stick, as otherwise a thicker stick would have added weight to the project. See, this is the basic shape I am giving. And will be covering the whole of it with the same thread. I'll be attaching the wires at the end of these to make a string and use it to decorate later. After tying a couple of knots at one end, we'll be passing this thread through the hole in the nest with the help of a pin. Place some dried green grass and keep the chick inside. Making the base firm with hot glue. I am doing all this because while making a hole, a crack developed and the stick has become shaky. If you have a clean hole, you might not need to do all this. pasting it in an empty cardboard box. I have prepared another container and the base will go towards the cardboard box. Guys, now it's time to hang the nest. So friends, vermicelli not just for cooking dishes but can also be used in craft work and making things for home decor. Now for the decoration part, you can wrap the string around as you like. Just give a twist here and there. How did you like this concept of making the nest? Do let me know in the comment box. Hope you find this DIY tutorial easy for kids' craft class and school projects. Now we'll be using artificially colored hay grass for the grass effect at the base. All done, and the chicks in the nest are ready to say hello to you. Chirpy chirpy! As always, your comments and suggestions about the video are always awaited. Please support the channel Shimmery and Glittery by subscribing to it and press the bell icon to get notifications about the videos uploaded. Thank you.